So until now, for any forest step here, you only had a prompt to tell the AI to find an action to run it on a record without having full control on which record it should turn on and which action to trigger. It was all left to interpretation for the AI at runtime. Now, so let's take the example of an action. And you can see that first you can select which record to trigger the action on. And in this dropdown, you have a choice between the record on which the workflow was started. So in this case, it's a KYC case. But you can tell that in the first two steps, we're actually loading two more records. We're loading a customer and we're loading a passport. So now you actually have access to the customer loaded in the second step and the KYC document loaded in the third step. In my case, I want to trigger an action on the KYC document. That's why I'm selecting this option. And then you also have the ability to specify the exact action you want to run on this. So in my case, I only have one action available in this collection, but I want to run the verify document action. If I were to select a customer to trigger an action on a customer loaded in this step, I could select any action relating to my customer collection. The same thing is available obviously on load related record. So right now I want to load the passport relating to the customer. So again, I can select which record to start loading a record from, a related record from. So in this case, either I take a record related to the KYC case from the workflow start or from a customer loaded in the second step. And then we also added the ability to add filters. So I do want to load a KYC document related to the customer, but specifically I want to load a document that has the type passport. So I can add deterministic filters as well, and I can combine then or conditions right here so that at runtime we only offer the documents of type passport to the end user or the AI to select and load at runtime. So right now it's only available on trigger action and load related record steps, but we'll do the same on the get data step, where you'll be able to specify exactly which fields you want to load in a particular step in a workflow, and same for update. You'll be able to select exactly which fields you want to update in a particular step.